Hey y'all, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and today I'm going to show you a couple of ways how to hang a wreath. If you have a tall door, I can't use just a regular hook that goes over the door. So I have this little sticky here that I put on the little wood strip. It's been there about 4 years, and it's still sticking. You put it on and let it dry, stick there for a few hours, and then you're ready to hang your wreath. So if you have a door that's too tall, you can hang your wreath just like that, and you're good to go. Now, for another way. Okay, now we're at a different door, and this door is your standard. So we're going to use what I guess most people use for over the door hooks. The most common used, maybe I should say. You just hook it over the door, you close your door, and then you're ready to hang your wreath. You can also use this type hanger on a glass storm door, so that, a lot of people like to put the flat wreaths between their doors. But if you've got an awning over your door and you want it to be seen better, you can actually put this hook over your storm door just like you would this door, and then it can be better seen. So just a couple of tips there. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.